Hi guys, welcome back to my fucking channel! Today we're at the beach.
Hi.
Kaylee. Okay. And, this shit fucking hurts.
Painful.
Yeah, I'm thinking we're gonna stab our foot. We're looking for the clay pits.
I know, we're gonna go near the water.
Pit stop.
Oh. See, I remember we walked through this, but there was like no water, like at all.
Yeah, there's water, a lot of it.
I know, and I'm not trying to walk. It's probably easier barefoot.
Honestly.
Yeah,
Ow.
just don't touch the leaves.
Oh, okay, Sam, tell me that before I touch a leaf. How are we not supposed to touch a leaf when we're literally going through leaves?
Yeah, but a lot of them have 3 leaves.
Ah, there's bugs!
I'm pretty sure I stepped on an olive.
We're like Tarzan and living in the forest. We're about to walk up this big ass hill, 240 feet tall.
Ow!
Pray
Oh my
for
God,
us.
what is this?
Pray for
Ow.
us. It doesn't hurt that bad.
Yeah, it really does.
It's kind of relaxing.
No. Who are you?
I'm Danielle. Pray for us, please.
I can't really talk that loud because I don't want people knowing.
Like all our business.
Did you hear me?
But
I'm tired already. I didn't even make it to the hill part yet.
right, we're just walking to it. This is so crazy.
They look so tiny.
I know. Like, I feel like that little boy in general is like tiny, but like
He's trying so hard. Look at him.
I know. Like you can't even see him. It's so cute.
Oh, those old people did it.
We haven't even made it to the hill, and we're already out of breath and stopping. It's just
A little much.
a little much.
Do you think we can make it up there? If you want to.
I think we can, dude.
I think we can. It might just take a little bit longer because it's so steep. I think we might fall down before we make it. Yeah.
Yeah, but like that just means get right back up and try again.
Let's try it. Let's see if it's too steep.
Oh geez, it's already steep.
And I feel like the sand creates enough friction to like stop us.
I feel like there's just no choice but to run.
My heart.
Break time. Guys, I'm like dying. But here we go. Oh. Guys, we made it up that. Kaylee's coming. I need some water.
Say what you have, bud.
And we still have somewhere to go.
I'm dead.
Me too. We made it. Finally. How do you feel? It's so pretty.
You want your water?
How do you feel?
Huh.
It's so pretty though. I'm exhausted, but look at this view. It's so pretty, so worth it.
This way, Sophia, you can show your daddy where he was when you were here.
We're on our way down. Yes. Kaylee, it's gravity, bro. Sam, do not go on the side of me, bro. Okay. I just feel like one of us are gonna end up tumbling down.
Or at least hurting them.
That'd be me. I'm a klutz. It's way better on the way down. My feet are going so deep into this.
It kind of.
I know. Oh, I'm so ready to like go home. Hey, when do you think that guy fell? That made my day. Ow! Did you say something?
Me? Yes, best workout ever.
I'm so like content with today.
Same, it was fun. Yeah, now I'm ready to go.
I don't even know if I want Subway.
Yo, honey, won't shut up till it's done.
This is a perfect spot. I need your car.
It falls though. It'll only stay up there for a while.
Well, we're not moving it. Kaylee, this busted ass deodorant, bro.
It's hard to melt.
It smells good.
I can't smell. It was coconut. I hate coconut. I did a lot today. I deserve to have a little BO.
I don't think so.
I don't think BO is something you're supposed to deserve.
Yeah, it is, because I never fucking sweat this much in my life. I wanna click it or ticket, bitches!
Stop.
Should I try this drink?
What was it called? The Chocolate Garden?
Yeah.
Try what drink?
Mix
Mix it first, because it's like separated. I think he's here by himself.
That's so weird.
Okay, that's
She's
cool. I
like
don't
just
need
in
phone
too much
reception.
right now. On fucking beach. What are these? Why do you have these in your car? Like, why are you taking sleeping pills while driving?
I'm not while I'm driving. It's for when I worked overnights.
Well, you don't do that anymore, so I'm calling the cops on you. Why?
You don't need
Why
a
would,
prescription for sleeping pills if they're-
why would you need these if you're working overnights if you're...
It's hard to sleep during the day.
Yeah, it's hard to
Oh,
sleep
for
before
like
work.
when you're trying... So like when you get off, you take them?
No, before I go, I take
Why?
like
Before you
in the
go to work?
morning. Well, because I never worked back to back, so it was never like I came home and then I had to work again. It was like I came home and had a normal day.
Okay.
So I'd have to
Yeah.
sleep at night
That's every Monday
or
for me.
during the day, like the afternoon.
I got it. I'm all caught up. We didn't talk much during that time, bitch. You're not like
No,
me.
but I didn't talk to anybody. I was miserable.
You're right. You're right.
I work tomorrow.
It's not loading, so
I guess we'll just... Vlog much after the beach yesterday. Didn't really do anything. I actually got a MacBook Air for school yesterday, right after the beach, and yeah, I really didn't do much. This is like a really awkward angle, but yeah, it's gonna have to do. I am going to work. And I don't want to go to work, but you know, gotta do what you gotta do. All my money. Can't even see my face right now. Hold on. All my money basically went towards the MacBook Air. And yeah, nothing really spontaneous, but I am happy I got a MacBook Air finally. And don't wanna go to work. guys, so this is editing Danielle right now. I forgot to do an outro, and I know I said I was going to vlog on the way home, or vlog me cleaning my room, and I got home from work and just sat down and started editing. So I just want to say thank you for watching.